Did you know our planet is full of powerful forces shaping life every day? From rumbling earthquakes and fiery volcanoes to roaring storms and crashing waves, natural disasters can be both frightening and fascinating. For the full list of natural disasters, do check out our other videos too. Get ready, young explorers. Our adventure begins now.
Blizzard. Blizzard.
A blizzard is an extreme snowstorm with howling winds, icy blasts, and freezing temperatures that can last for many hours or even several days. These powerful storms blanket towns in deep snow, bury houses, trap cars, block roads, and create a swirling white winter wonderland where visibility almost completely disappears.
Avalanche. Avalanche.
Avalanches are roaring rivers of snow rushing down mountains at lightning speed. They can bury trees, houses, and people under tons of icy powder. Skiers must be careful. This unstoppable snowy wave can move faster than a car racing downhill.
Drought. Drought.
Droughts happen when there's little or no rain for months. The ground cracks, rivers shrink, and plants dry up. Animals and people struggle for water. Droughts remind us just how important every drop of fresh, clean water really is.
Dust storm. Dust storm.
Dust storms are giant walls of dust and sand carried by fierce winds. They can turn the blue sky brown, block the sun, and cover everything with layers of grit. Farmers and travelers often struggle when these storms arrive.
Earthquake. Earthquake.
Earthquakes happen when the Earth's plates deep underground suddenly shift. The ground shakes, roads crack, and buildings wobble. Sometimes small, sometimes massive, earthquakes remind us the Earth is alive and always moving beneath our feet, even when it seems still.
Firestorm. Firestorm.
A firestorm is a wildfire so intense it creates its own wind. Flames roar like dragons, smoke swirls sky-high, and winds push fire across forests. Firestorms are powerful, unstoppable, and show how dangerous and wild fire can truly be.
Flood. Flood.
Floods occur when enormous amounts of water spill over the land, covering fields, towns, and streets. Heavy rains, melting snow, or overflowing rivers can suddenly turn neighborhoods into lakes. Cars may vanish underwater, and people sometimes travel in boats where roads once were. Floods reveal water's unstoppable strength and speed.
Hailstorm. Hailstorm.
Hailstorms drop icy balls from storm clouds instead of raindrops. Some hailstones are tiny like peas, while others grow huge, as big as baseballs. These frozen rocks crash down with force, denting cars, smashing windows, and flattening crops. Children often catch the smaller pieces, watching them melt quickly in their warm hands.
Heatwave. Heatwave.
A heatwave is when days become super hot and stay that way. Rivers dry, people sweat, and even roads can melt. Without shade or water, the heat feels endless. Heat waves remind us to stay cool, safe, and very hydrated.
Hurricane. Hurricane.
Hurricanes are gigantic spinning storms born over warm oceans, growing stronger as they swirl. With powerful winds, pounding rain, and towering waves, they can tear rooftops away, flood entire towns, and reshape coastlines. From space, they appear as massive swirling whirlpools with a calm, peaceful eye at the center. Wow! From fiery volcanoes to icy blizzards, natural disasters remind us how powerful Earth can be. Learning about them helps us stay safe and respect nature's force. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep exploring. Thank you for watching. Do share, like, and subscribe.